Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to start a poem which name is Don't Give Up, written by the Phoebe Cary. The Phoebe Cary write a poem Don't Give Up and which gives us a very inspirational message for all of us. So ये ऐसी एक कविता है कि जो हमें इंस्पायर करती है कि ज़िंदगी में हमें अगर कुछ भी सफलता पानी हो तो हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए, हमें हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. सो देर आर 4 स्टांजास इन द पोएम एंड द फर्स्ट वन स्टांजा लेट्स वी विल सी द मीनिंग. चलो हम इसका मीनिंग जान लें. The first one stanza is, if you have tired and have not won, never stop for crying. What the poet want to tell us? If you have tired and have not won, never stop for trying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. The poet want to tell here us that if we want to achieve in anything in our life, we should not stop our trying, and all the great and good things is just only by patient and trying. अगर हमें ज़िंदगी में कुछ भी पाना हो तो हमें पेशेंस रखना चाहिए. You know what, the patience is very important in our life. And if suppose we have tired and have not won, if we want to achieve anything in our life, and if we don't get it, so we should not stop our trying. Whatever the good and great thing just done in the world is just only by the patience. Then the second stanza, the poet want to tell us that though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Now, in the second stanza, the poet Phoebe Cary convey us a beautiful message that we should not stop for trying whatever the hard problems come in our life. Here, the poet gives us the example of young birds. You know what, the young birds? The young birds, they always try to flying, but whenever they are small, they try to flying, but they fall again and again because their wings are not strong. पंछी जो होते हैं ना, जब वो छोटे होते हैं तो वो उड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं पर गिर जाते हैं. बट whenever their wings are go, they can fly very easily. So here the poet tell us that, कवि हमें यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि the young birds they are flying but they fall, still their wings go stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. But whenever their wings are grow, they can fly very well. So what the poet proves us from this stanza, कवि हमें इस स्टांजा के माध्यम से क्या समझाना चाहते हैं? The poet tell us that if we have a determination and confidence, we can also gain the same heights. When the birds and their wings are grow, they can take the heights. Same, if we have a determination and confidence, we can also achieve the same great heights in our life. Okay, then we see the third stanza meaning. In the third stanza, the poet gives the example of a oak tree. What? The sturdy oak tree. Here in the third stanza, the poet tell us that though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bow her, the bow means bend. Okay, she has risen again and again, laughter and prouder. Here the poet gives us the example of oak tree. The oak is a very strong tree. Oak ये ऐसी ट्री है जो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग रहती है, बट मेनी ब्लास्ट ट्राई टू बेंड हर. इट मीन्स दैट बहुत सारी स्टॉर्मी वाइंड उसको क्या करते हैं, रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं या फिर झुकाने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट स्टिल इट राइजन अगेन एंड अगेन. मीन्स वॉट एवर द प्लांट बियर, मे इट इज़ अ स्टॉर्मी वाइंड्स, may it is a rain or the sunlight, whatever, still that tree bear again and again, and it becomes laughter and prouder. Laughter means taller and stronger. Sturdy oak tree ऐसी है कि जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सहती है, पर फिर भी जितनी भी चीज़ें वो सहती है उसके बाद भी वो खड़ी रहती है या फिर दिन ब दिन बड़ी होती जाती है. सो व्हाट द पोएट वांट टू प्रूव अस फ्रॉम द थर्ड स्टांजा, इट टेल अस अ ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज दैट whatever the problems come in our life, may it is hardships, disappointments or the failures, whatever, but we should not stop for trying. And if we face all of them by the confidence, by the determination, then definitely we can get whatever we want in our life. So this is about the third stanza. Okay, then the last, in the last stanza the poet gives us really a message for all of us, and the poet want to warn us that, poet हमें यहाँ पे warn कर रहे हैं. What the fourth stanza tell us, चौथे नंबर के stanza में poet ने हमें क्या बताया है? If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Here is the question mark. Why the poet asks us a question? If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from the defeat. Now see, gaining victory from the defeat, that's the taste that tries you. Here the fourth stanza, the poet tell us, if suppose we are doing the very simple easy things, then who will value us? अगर हम बहुत ही इजी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं तो हमें कौन वैल्यू देगा? इफ़ वी गेट द अचीवमेंट्स फ्रॉम द फेलियर्स, फ्रॉम द डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स, फ्रॉम द चैलेंजेस, देन एनीवन गिव अस वैल्यू. एंड गेनिंग विक्ट्री फ्रॉम द डिफीट, अगर हम असफलता से अगर सफलता हासिल कर रहे हैं तभी ये हमारी एक अच्छी कोशिश रहेगी. दैट्स द टेस्ट दैट tries you. Here the poet warns us that if you are doing the very easy things in your life, so no one gives you value. So do the challenges and get the achievements from the failures, from the disappointment, from the hardship, then everyone gives you value. So in all over the stanza, the Phoebe Cary conveys us a message that never stop your trying and decide what you want to do in your life. May lots of flaws, problems come in the life of in your life, but still if you have a confidence, determination, one day definitely we will achieve what we want. अगर हम कोशिश करते रहे तो हमें ज़िंदगी में सफलता एक दिन मिलनी ही है. So that was the central idea of the poem Don't Give Up, written by the Phoebe Cary. I hope you understand. If we want to listen the same poems, so we will see it in the next video.